You know that diploid cells have homologous chromosomes, and that is why they are diploid, because they have two chromosomes of the same type, one from mother, one from father. What you can see here in red might be mother's, and in pink might be father's chromosome. And homologous chromosomes, as you know, have the same length, the same size, basically the same sequence with little variations that stem from mutations. They have genes that are in the same locus so that they can actually be exchanged during crossing over. And you can see here those black bars are the genes. And even though this is really not to scale, what it really depicts is that there are only genes far and in between of each other. There's a lot of non-coding sequence. The one from mother and the one from father, the genes might have differences due to mutations. And we call these different variants of the same gene alleles. So you can see here that we have on mom's chromosome alleles one, let's say for the body color, B, and mom's B might be gray. The plus means this is the ancestral type, and dad's might be coding for a black body type. So there is no plus, meaning that this is the mutation. And usually the genes get their names from the first mutation that was found. In this case, the ancestral type, as I said, is gray for fruit flies, and the first mutation they found was black, and so the gene is called B. And there's another gene that is depicted here that is for the trait wing shape. And sorry, it's hard to speak to the camera. And that's wing shape, and you have normal wing shape, and you have the first mutation that was found with it, which is vestigial. And vestigial means there's not much left, just a remnant, like our appendix is a vestigial structure. And so the name of the gene is VG for vestigial. The wild type here for the mother is that she has normal wings, and the dad here would have a chromosome that codes for vestigial wings. Yeah, so the words to remember here is homologous chromosomes are different, slightly different. They have different alleles for many of the genes. And that's it.